5-digit numbers, isn't it? Yes. Today we are going to discuss about multiplication by multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. Just see, I will explain how to multiply by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. See the example. For example, 25 multiply 10. How to multiply these two numbers? If here that in one's place 0 is there means it's easy way to multiply. 20 first you have to write the column with the column. 10 you can write it here. Then it is easy for you. See here that 0 you can write it here. Then you can use the first table. Everyone knows the first table. So 1 5 is 5. Then 1 2 is 2. The answer is 250. Understand? If it is 3-digit number also like that only. See 3058 into 10. How to multiply? 358. This 10 you can write in the ones place, you can write it like this way. Then multiply by 10 means, see 0 you can write it as it is. Then you can use the table, first table. 1 8 is 8. 1 5 is 5. Then 1 3 is 3. So the answer is 3580. Do you understand? Like that, multiply by 100 and multiply by 1000 also like that you can do. Just see the example. Here 525 into 100. If you are multiplied by 100 means, see 525 multiply by this 100 you can write it like this way. Understand? So see that 0, these two zeros as it is you have to write it 0 0. Then use that first table. 1 5 is 5. Then 1 2 is 2. Then 1 5 is 5. The answer is 52,500. Okay. Then one more example. If you are multiplied, see that 28 multiplied by 1000. If you are multiplied by 1000 means, you can write it like this way. 28 into 1000. Write it like this way. Do you understand? Then you are going to use the table, first table only. 0 0 0. Then 1 8 is 8. Then 1 2 is 2. Do you understand how to multiply 10, 100 and 1000? It's an easy way to multiply. Do you understand? If it is larger number, for example 85,242 into 1000. Easy way we can use it. 85,242 multiplied by this 1000 you can write it like this way. Right? Then there's 3 zeros you can write it as it is. Then now you are going to use the first table. 1 2 is 2. Then 1 4 is 4. Then 1 2 is 2. Again 1 5 is 5. Then 1 8 is 8. Do you understand how to multiply by 1000? Right? See here number is there. 26,402 multiplied by 40. See here 40. So how we are going to multiply? 26,402 into 40. So here you are going to use the table, fourth table. Do you understand? That 0 you can write it here. Then fourth table you can use it. 4 2s are 8. Right? Then 4 zeros are 0. Because if you are multiplying any number into 0, 0 only. Right? Yes. Then 4 4s are 16. 16 but 6 only you have to write it. Then 1 here. Then 6 4s are how much? 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1. 24 plus 1 25. Then 2 write it here. Then again fourth table. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. So what is the answer? 10,56,080. You understand how to multiply? Another example. See here, 15,032 into 800. Multiply 15,032 into 800. So 0, 0, you can make it that side. Yes, 0, 0. Then 8 2s are 8th table. Here you are going to use the 8th table. Okay, 8 2s are 16. 6 is here. Then 1 is here. Then 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Then 2 is here. Then 8 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2, 2. Next, 8 5s are 8 5s are how much? 8 5s are 40. So 40, 0, then 4. Then 1 8 is 8. 8 plus 4 how much? 12. So the answer is 1,20,25,600. Understand? Yes. Another example. See the example. Into 100. Sorry. 600. So how we are going to multiply 400 on 32 into 600. This 2 zeros you can write it here. Now you are going to use which table? 6th table. Okay. 6th table. 6 2s are 12. Then 1. Then 6 3s are how much? 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So that means 9 here, 1. Then 6 4s are 6 times 4s are how much? 24, isn't it? 24 plus 1, 25. Here after no number, then you can write it 25. Yes, the answer is 2,59,200, isn't it? I hope you understand this concept. See in the next example, 3,000. You are going to multiply by 3,000. Okay, 91,334 multiplied by 3,000. See, 91,334 multiplied by 3,000. Okay. Yes. First you have to write these 3 zeros here. Now you are going to use third table, right? Yes. Third table. 3 4s are how much? 3 4s are 12. Then 1 is here. Then 3 3s are how much? 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Then here again 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Then 1 is here. Then 1 3 is how much? 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Then 3 9s are 27. Do you understand now? Yes. Next one we are going to discuss about, see, multiplying with zeros in the multiplier. The multiplier, the zeros are there, means how to multiply. Okay. See here, multiply 25,062 into 306. First you are going to write 25,062, then 306. Yes, multiply. First, which table we are going to use? We are going to use first 6th table. Yes, 6th table. See, once here 6 into 2, isn't it? 6 2s are how much? 12. 6 2s are 12. Then 1 is here. Then 6 6 are 36, isn't it? 36 plus 1, 37. Then 7, 3 will be here. Then 6 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3, 3. Yes. Next 6 5s are 30. 30. Then 3 is here. Then 6 2s are 12, isn't it? 12 plus 3 how much? 15. Yes. Next the multiplier is 0, isn't it? We are going to multiply by 0, isn't it? Yes, 0 into these numbers. So first here also 0, then tens place we are going to start this tens place. 0 into any number, what we will get? We will get 0 only, isn't it? Yes. 0 2s are 0, 0 6 are 0, 0 0s are 0, 0 5s are 0, 0 2s are 0, right? Yes. Next hundreds place here. Now you are going to use the third table. Third table first. 3 2s are how much? 6. Remaining you put 0. Okay. Yes. 3 2s are 6. Then 3 6 are how much? 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18, but 8. Then 1 will be here. Yes. Again 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1. 1. Next 3 5s are 15. But 1 will be here. Then 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Now what we have to do? We are going to add these numbers, right? Then 2 plus 0 plus 0 2. Then 7 plus 0 plus 0 7. Then 3 plus 0 plus 6 9. Then 0 plus 0 plus 8 how much? 8 only. Then 5 plus 0 plus 1 6. Then 1 plus 0 plus 5 6. Then 7. Do you understand how to multiply? Yes. Then one more example. See 44,100 into 286. 4,100 into 286. Multiply. 4,100 into 286. Yes. Now we are going to use first which table? Sixth table, isn't it? Yes, sixth table. 6 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 0. 1 6 are 6. 6 4s are how much? 6 times 4s are 24. Right? Yes. Next. Next which table we are going to use? 8th table. 8 zeros are 0. Here also you put 0. Okay, no problem. Then again 8 zeros are 0. 8 ones are how much? 8 ones are 8. Then 8 fours are how much? 8 fours are 32. So 32. Write it like this way. Then next, that's the tens place also over. Next, which place we are going to start? The hundredths place, right? Yes, 2. We are going to use the table, second table. Second table use it. Hundreds place we are going to start. So before that you have to put 0 here. One sentence place. Yes, 2 zeros are 0. Then 2 again 2 zeros are 0. Then 1 2s are 2. Then 2 fours are how much? 2 fours are 8. Now what we are going to do? We have to add these three values, isn't it? Yes. 0, 0, 6. Then 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 how much? 12. Then 1 is here. Then 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Then 8 plus 3 how much? 11. So this is the answer. 11,72,600. Do you understand now? I hope you understand this concept. Now what you are going to do? That page number 38, exercise 3.1. Already you completed first one. Find the product. Now you are going to do multiply. The second question and the third question. Multiply. There also A to H questions are there. Then again multiply A to H questions. Okay, 8 plus 8, 16 questions are there. Please try to complete these questions. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Okay, children? Thank you.